Hi friends, welcome to Pixie Pantry. I'm sorry I was on a vacation so I was unable to post new videos. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of my new upcoming videos. Also, do like the video if you find my recipe interesting. So, let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Rajma Chawal. I have about 1.5 cup of red rajma that I had soaked previous night. I'm going to pressure cook this for 5 to 6 whistles. Make sure the water is 1.5 inch above the rajma. Add about 1/4 spoon of table salt or rock salt. Now we need to make garlic, ginger and chili chutney. I've taken about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies and 1 inch ginger. You can add more green chilies if you want your rajma to be spicy. Since we don't eat much spicy food, I've put less. In a pan, I'm adding about 8 to 9 spoons of refined sunflower oil. I'm adding more oil because we need to kind of deep fry the onions. I've taken about 3 medium-sized onions that I have chopped thin and long. Keep stirring them occasionally. Make sure that it doesn't get burnt. So we have to fry until the onions are at this stage. They are completely golden brown now. Make sure it doesn't get burnt any further. So I'm going to immediately turn off the stove. I've taken a sieve because I want to drain out the excess oil. Try and press down on it so that the oil gets out completely. And in a mixer jar, I am going to put these drained fried onions. Add a little bit of water and grind it into a fine paste. To the same pan, I'm adding about 1.5 big spoons of oil. It is the same oil that I had used to fry the onions. I have big elaichi over here that I'm crushing so it releases its flavor. I'm adding about 1 spoon of jeera, 1 crushed big elaichi. It's also called black cardamom. About an inch of cinnamon. Couple of bay leaves. Fry them for a few seconds. Now I'm adding the ginger, garlic and chili paste that we had prepared earlier. I'm going to fry this for about a minute. I'm adding 1/4 spoon of turmeric. I prepared tomato puree using 3 medium-sized tomatoes before itself. I'm adding the puree here at this stage. I'm adding about half a spoon of rock salt. About 1 small spoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch. You can add more if you want your rajma to be spicy. And I've added about 1.5 spoon of coriander powder, about half a spoon of jeera powder, quarter spoon of garam masala, Now I'm going to add the fried onion paste that we had prepared. Mix it well. Let's cover the lid and cook this for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure it doesn't get burnt. Now I'm adding the cooked rajma along with the water. We have to cook this for about 20 to 25 minutes on medium flame. I know you think that the gravy is liquidy. What you can do is you can crush about 5 to 10% of rajma so that the starch releases and the gravy thickens eventually. I'm going to garnish the rajma with some freshly chopped coriander. I know Rajma Chawal is supposed to be eaten with white rice, but I like to eat it with Jeera rice. So I'm adding about 2 spoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add about 1 spoon of jeera. I'm adding about half spoon of shahi jeera. It gives an enhanced flavor and taste. About 2 to 3 cloves. Half spoon ginger garlic paste. 2 green chilies slit. And 5 to 6 curry leaves. Fry them well. I'm adding about 1 big sized onion chopped thin and long. You have to fry the onion until it's golden brown. I'm adding a handful of peas that I had boiled. These are frozen peas. Adding the peas is up to you. It's totally optional. I'm adding the leftover rice that I had. Add the salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Fry it for a couple of minutes. Garnish it with coriander. Our quick and easy jeera rice with leftover rice is ready. Let's plate it up. You can see that the gravy has thickened. I ended up mashing 5 to 10% of the rajma and boiled it for another 5 to 10 minutes. The rajma gravy looks rich. You can eat that with roti or chawal. That's totally left up to you. I'm going to pour some rajma on top of my jeera rice. Adding some cucumbers and onions on the plate. There we have it. Our rajma and chawal is ready. It looks absolutely fantastic, and trust me, it tastes even more better than it looks. Do give it a try. Let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.